Hello guys, welcome to Foster Skill. Today I am going to tell you how you can download a full free and open source video editor. So, if you really want to learn video editing using a free software, then this video is for you. The software that I am going to share with you is OpenShot video editor. It is free and multi-platform and open source as well. You can use it to create and edit videos using many popular multimedia formats like WAV videos and MP4 videos. So without further delaying, let's start the video. First of all, open your web browser. Then type the address of the website of OpenShot. That is openshot.org. Here, as you can see that with the help of OpenShot you can create stunning videos, and it is open source and fully free. It is also available for Mac, Linux and Microsoft, all of these platforms. It allows you to manipulate videos, audio and image in a non-linear fashion, and it is best to create and edit video using a wide range of popular formats. So to download it, just click on this download button. From here you can choose the operating system that you are using, like Linux, Mac, and here you can see it's Windows. So in my case I'm going to download it for Windows. So just click on this window downloads and now click on this download. It's showing the latest version, which is 2.4.4. Here you go, it started downloading. As I have already downloaded, so I am not going to download this software again. So after downloading, just go to your downloads folder and here you will see OpenShot video editor setup, its file. Just double click on it. Click yes. Select the language. In my case it will be English. Now click OK. Click I accept the agreement. Then click next. Here just browse the folder where you want to install this program from this browse button. Then click next. I want to create a desktop shortcut for this program as well, so I will click on this button. Now click next and install. It will take some time for installing. I have used many of the open source video editor, but none of them are perfect. Some of them are faster than others and some have many more advanced features. Some have features that are struggling to justify their existence. The worst are usually full of features that you don't even need. So if you are working on a budget like me and you don't want to buy a separate computer devoted to artistic work, then OpenShot video editor is a very solid choice for you. So now that the OpenShot video editor has finished installing, let's launch it and click finish. So now that we have installed this software, in the next video I am going to tell you how to use this software for editing your videos. So stay connected and do subscribe my channel and give thumbs up if you like this video. Good luck.